Basic Electronic Fundamental Chapter 1 Definition of Electronic. It is a branch of engineering which deals with current flow through a vacuum, gas and semiconductor is known as electronic. Application of Electronic. Electronic is used in different sectors which are as follows: communication and entertainment, medical, defense, industrial control and research application. Electronic emission. The emission or liberation of electron from the surface of metal is known as electronic emission. The amount of extra energy required to emit an electron from a metal surface is known as work function. The metal surface offers a barrier proton to free electron is known as surface barrier. Types of electronic emission: fermionic emission, photoelectric emission, secondary emission and field emission. Fermionic emission. The process of electron emission from a metal surface by supplying thermal energy is known as fermionic emission. In this method of emission, the electron emission is achieved by heating the metal. Photoelectric emission. In this method, the energy of light falling upon the metal surface is transferred to free electrons within the method, enable them to live in the metal surface. Secondary emission. Electron emission from a metallic surface by the collision of high-speed electron or other particle is known as secondary emission. When the high-speed electron from cathode strikes with the anode, then some electrons are emitted from the metals. Field emission. The process of emission by the application of strong electric field at the surface of metal is known as field emission.